So this is GCSE M3 notes. We're on Unit 2 and we're looking at number revision. So this is generally stuff from Key Stage 3, so just a wee bit of a reminder then about how these things work. So 2.47 times 3.2 then will be our first example. And so the way I would tend to do this is ignore the decimal point. So ignore the decimal point, and I would do 247 times by 32. Do my line. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 4, 8. 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. Remember, put down my 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 4 is 12, 13, 14. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 and is 7. Adding 4, 1, 9 and 7. I then look back at the question, how many numbers are there to the right of the decimal point in the question? There's 1, 2, 3, so I need 3 then in my answer. 1, 2, 3, and we have that there. Next wee bit then is dividing a decimal by a decimal. This requires a wee bit of thought and a wee bit of understanding about how decimals and how division actually works. Make the number you're dividing by a whole number. So this isn't a whole number, we need to make it a whole number, and we're multiplying through both of these then by the same thing. So if we multiply through by 10, that'll give 142.5 divided by 5, and again we just set it up then as a division. And 142.5. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5 into 40 goes 2 times, and 4 left over. 5 into 42 goes 8 times, and 2 left over. And 5 into 25 then goes 5. And so my answer to that then is actually 28.5. You don't need to times it by 10 or anything. That's the equivalent sum then for there. Part B is similar. 0.146 divided by 0.02. Make this into a whole number, so we need to multiply through by 100. So it's going to give us 14.6 divided by 2. Something, to be honest, you could do in your head, and I hope you do. We just end up then with 7.3.